Okay, good morning. So getting ready to head out. It's about 29.7 degrees, so it's a little chilly out, but got my bundled up here and ready to go. And yeah, we're gonna head out to the hill, catch the sunrise, do some video taping of photography of that, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna do my push portion of my calisthenics split. So thank you for joining me, and let's get started. Here we go. Hey, buddy's over there enjoying himself, having a good time. Let's see if we can zoom in on him here. There he is over there, eating snow or something. I'm not sure what. And we got a little bit of sunrise still going on over here. Nice wet sunrise. Sun finally broke through the clouds. It was a little bit. Iffy. I didn't know if it would break through or not. There's a bank of clouds on the horizon there, but we got a nice one. And yeah, heading back down to the base of the hill here. Finish up our hike. No elk up here this morning, but we're having fun. So, all right, here we go. I'll see you, and I'm going to continue my hike, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're back from the hike portion of the workout this morning, and did distance of. It broke it up into two trips because there was too much time while we were up on the hill with the drone. So 5.06 miles is the second hike. This is the second coming down from the hill and going around the loop in our neighborhood at a time of 1 hour 42 minutes and 17 seconds, pace of 20 minutes and 12 seconds per mile. And burned up 522 calories there and did 9,876 steps. And then the other one was 3.04 miles, time of 1 hour and 7 minutes and 1 second, pace of 22 minutes and 3 seconds per mile, and burned up 314 calories on that one and did 6,590 steps on that one. So now I'm going to head out onto the continue onward to the push portion of my workout today. So yeah, looking forward to it, and I'll get started right away. Here we go. So yeah, that's a good workout today. I actually felt pretty good on the. I felt like a greater ease of effort to complete it with the back lever in particular. So that was promising. Still don't think I'm quite down parallel with the earth, with the ground when I'm doing those. So keep working on it. It's work in progress. Feels good though to feel a little bit of ease of effort to do it. And let's see what else. Yeah, and also good stuff on the push-ups, handstand push-ups. Sorry, and trying to find the right resistance bands to use. So I found that the green and the red was pretty good sweet spot for me, right around 6 to 8 reps, or even a little bit more. So Yeah, it's interesting. It just goes as it goes, and I will keep working my way into deeper and deeper levels of progression. So, okay. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today. Appreciate your being here. And if you're interested in calisthenics, animal-based diet, and/or barefoot shoe style hiking, then you've come to the right place. Feel free to comment and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Thank you.